Darlings, I have arrived.
Auntie Priscilla! And presents!
Of course. You're as greedy and lovely as ever, Patty. Mwah, mwah. Priscilla! Welcome to my lavish abode. Have you seen my Rainbow Rangers tree? It's a one-of-a-kind. It's a mess. There's no popcorn garland, and the tinsel clearly clashes with the purple one's hair.
Thank you! See?
Make it better. I will make a nice roaring fire, since you clearly couldn't handle that. Come, Patty.
Brother and sister Prestons?
Oh. We can't let them build that fire. The raccoons are still in the chimney.
Don't mind me. Just going to leave these right here.
Oh, they're so cute. Now I'm glad we didn't roast them in a fire. Thank you, Daddy.
My pleasure, Princess. It's why they call me the hero of the winter holidays. Now I'll make a fire. Don't just stand there, Rangers. Get yourselves and those monsters out of here. Honestly, Preston, manners. Please place the wild animals outside where they belong. Then you may join us for holiday dinner. They may what?
Really? Wow! That's so splendiferous of you! Thank you!
My pleasure. But first, the raccoons. I'll walk you out.
Priscilla! We're all done and ready for holiday dinner!
Oh, you're not invited in, darling. I just said that to get rid of you. Much more elegant than my brother's booby traps, don't you think? Bye now.